Okay, so now we already installed Java, we're gonna install Scala. So I already have the link in my slides. You can go to this website. I'm downloading the latest version of the Scala 2.12.8. There are two ways, actually. The most popular way of getting Scala is either using Scala through SPT, the Scala build tool, or use the Scala through an IDE. Honestly, I prefer installing Scala through Intellij. I love Intellij and I use it every day at work. It's just amazing. And I'm really not a fan of Scala SPT. I mean, I like it. We use it time to time, but I think for learning, I like it more from downloading Intellij, using Intellij, because you actually see what you're doing and the progress. So I'm going to click on download Intellij and I'm just going to go download. So there are two versions. There's ultimate version and there's a community version. I'm going to get the community version because it's free and it's open source. I'm waiting for it to be downloaded and we're going to install it. If you want to use the ultimate version, there's a fee to pay, yearly fee, but it's worth it. I really like Intellij. It's my favorite IDE for anything. And it has a lot of cool features. So we're going to wait until this one downloads. And then once it's finished download, we're going to show you how to install Intellij.